We're in Smithfield, Utah, up in Cache Valley. I always like how I get to go caching in Cache Valley, in Cache County. I should probably go over to Cache Junction so I can get the triple Cache Junction and Cache Valley in Cache County. But anyway, it's a little dark for this one maybe. It seemed like a good idea at the time, but I think it's in there. My other phone, I knew how to turn the flash on while recording a video and kind of use it as a flashlight. I don't think I do on this one, so I might have to stop recording and turn on the flashlight. Looks like there's a space between the building and the fence over here. I have a flashlight in my car, but I'm not in my car tonight because I got a flat tire. Yeah, I think I need to stop and turn on the flashlight and look for it. I think I'm going to do that one during the day. Or at least when I have a flashlight. But probably during the day. Let's go grab a different one in town. Down the road a piece. We'll try this one instead. I'm guessing it's in the light pole skirt, as so many are. Wait for this car to go by. Keeping it clean is what it's called, and it's outside a car wash. There's some angry wasps up in there. That's fun. I think the hint said magnetic, actually. Maybe it's over here. Guess it could be over here in the storm drain. There's often spiders up under here, but that felt like a wasp nest. Not a fun thing to touch when you're not looking. I don't see where else to put a magnetic thing. Might be under the storm drain, but that wasn't fun to touch that. Not under here. Didn't see it on that. Probably too far off the coordinates to be at that light pole over there. Maybe I'll give up on this one and try a different one. Yeah, I will. We were right there. That's the car wash. Now we're over here at a park. I have a headlight out. I wondered about that. It looked a little dim. Not ideal being 2.5 hours away from home. This one was called Struck by Lightning or something, so I'm walking towards electrical boxes. Making some assumptions there. Ah, there we go. Good camouflage, but still out of place. Got it. Okay. See you tomorrow.